Meaning of Dáil.
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 Dáil. The word Dáil is derived from the Irish language and refers to the lower house of the Irish Parliament, known as the Oireachtas. The Dáil consists of elected representatives who are responsible for passing legislation and scrutinizing the actions of the government. It holds significant power in the political system of Ireland and is of great importance to the people of that country. Overall, Dáil represents a critical component of Ireland's governmental structure and serves as a symbol of the country's commitment to democratic values.